Hi guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Wanda Zandarasiwena, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys the benefit of a tax-free savings account. I've spoken about tax-free savings accounts, like where you can get them, what is the limit on this account and what is the characteristics of the account. But today I'll be showing you in terms of numbers, how much can you make if you are to invest on tax-free savings account, right? Remind everyone, or for some of you who didn't watch my previous video, a tax-free savings account is an account that was introduced to South Africa in 2015 to encourage South African citizens to start saving. So the government made it, allowable for us to invest 36,000 or up to 36,000 in a year without getting taxed on that money, on interest rates, on capital gains, as well as on dividends, which is good news, right? So it's 36,000 in a year and 500,000 in a lifetime. So if you are to contribute on a monthly basis, you would need to deposit 3,000 every month for you to get 36,000 on a year, right? And of course, we should be mindful to not deposit any money that exceeds 36,000 or 500,000 of a lifetime, because the tax implications are a little bit rough if you exceed those limitations or regulations of the tax-free savings account, right? So in this video, I want to talk about the numbers. So if you are to deposit that 3,000 in a monthly basis, you would need to deposit it for 13 years and 18 months to reach the limit of 500,000, which is the lifetime limit. So a 13.8 years is not really a lot, especially if maybe you're starting to work or you are in your 20s. If you don't put measures in place, you're most likely not even gonna have that 100,000, that's 500,000 after 13.8 years. So this is just to help us, to use this tool and help us to get to that 500,000, right? So this is something that I'm making my goal. From now onwards, I will be starting to maximize my tax-free savings account, which is 36,000 annually, just to make sure that in 13.8 years, I have that 500,000. So this is not only the point that I wanted to discuss. I also wanted to discuss the compounding effect to this, which is like the most beautiful part of this video. So when you put that 3,000 on a monthly basis, it will compound annually at a certain rate. Like as for me, I'll be using Easy Equities. On average, ETFs perform at an interest rate of 7%, right? So I'll use my phone to do the calculations just to show you how much in compound interest you're gonna get after 13.8 years, right? So if you are to contribute 3,000 from now for 13.8 years with an interest rate of 7% on different ETFs, that will give you an average of 7% for 14 years, or for 13.8 years, you will get an amount of 870,000 after 13.8%, and your interest that you will have accumulated is 359,000. Like imagine getting an interest of about 400,000. That's a lot. And your contribution, like I said, would be 500,000, and 300,000 would be your interest. This is a good strategy, and I think I like using my tax-free savings account on Easy Equities for ETFs, because I know generally they perform well, and on average they can give me that 7%, which those calculations are based on. So that's it from my side. I just wanted to share this part of the tax-free savings account, and I'll also do another video talking about ETFs as well.